Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. I was debating on not doing this video, but I want to go ahead and get it up, and I will let you decide whether you want to follow along and do it too, or if I'll just do it on my own. But I went to the Fort Worth Fabric Studios, the website, which was the one that we did the Halloween hanging, and we're going to do the Winter's Flurry. I went ahead and I got the fabric and everything for that, and I did a video on it. Well, I went and got online because they have Friday deals for fabric, and so I get emails about that. So I went ahead and I went online, and when I did, I see that they have another, it's called 2018 Cozy Up Mystery Quilt, and it's for Christmas also. Now this one is beginner series. So I went ahead and I downloaded this, the first page that you get. So that's what it looks like. Make sure I got the whole picture in there. And I went ahead and I decided that I'm going to make it for myself. It's 48 by 60. And just like before, we're going to get every week we'll get the directions on what to sew together, because it's like the other one where you get all the fabric and you cut it all out. I went ahead and ordered the fabric. I have it here. I'm going to show it to you. But another thing that I wanted to tell you, for those that use the Aurifil thread, and I know this is expensive thread, on their website they have it for $9.99. And I think the normal price is anywhere between $12 and $14, and I'm talking about this thick thread. And I had just used the tail end before I got this email, filling a bobbin. So then of course I needed to buy some more, because usually what you get in the boxes that are my unboxing are the little bitty spools of thread. And so I wanted to get a big one, so that's when I saw that they had it, and I used the color 2024. There's different colors of white. There's a natural white. This is, to me, a little bit brighter white that I like to use. So I went ahead and I got 2 spools of white, and I picked up a spool of black. They had, I want to think about 4 or 5 different colors. They were all the same price. They were $9.99, so I got that. I went ahead and I picked up their 3-piece marking ruler trio, which is what it takes to make for the beginner individuals, because what it does is it is actually a 1/4 inch on each side of the line. The trio ruler was $15.95, and then I went ahead and I have already bought a block. I don't know if you know anything about these rulers. Okay, they come in different sizes. You can buy them from the, I think there's, when I got online one time, I think there was like 2 sets. It was from the smallest one up to like maybe 6 or 7, and then after the 7th one it went like 6 or 7 more bigger, and they had them split in price. This is a 6.5 inch ruler, and this one was on sale for $19.95. If you've ever used them, I don't know if you can even tell, but see that light through the middle? That actually snugs in a piece of fabric, and it actually locks right into the fabric. Like if this was your fabric here, let's say that little bump right there, when it gets in there, it locks right up against it, and it will not move. So once it locks in, then you do your trimming. So that's what they're going to be teaching in this video. Not teaching, but showing you how to use that ruler with these fabrics and this quilt. So I went ahead and got the kit of the fabric. I'll open it up so we can take a look at it, if I can keep my dog quiet long enough. Let's see here. A two-handed job doing it with one hand. Oh, here we go. Now, because this is a beginner, you're going to get the fabric's going to be a little bit different. For example, this is all the binding that came. So they've already cut the binding for us. Let me read this here. Let's see. So our dates are October 29th, November 5th, November 12th, and November 19th. And again, let me show you, that's the Fort let's see if I can get the whole thing in there. There you go, if you're interested in participating. I don't know if you guys want me to do this where I show you putting it together. I'll do it in a YouTube video. If you're not interested, then don't worry about it. It's not going to hurt my feelings. I mean, I'm already doing the winter story, but there's what one of the pieces of the fabric looks like. Here's a piece. This makes me think of snow. Big old snowballs or snowdrops coming through the snow. Here's little snowmen. Turn it this way here. Here it is again. It's a bigger piece. I haven't seen this kind of fabric before. This makes me think of a vintage fabric. And it's an off-white color. It's got the little candy, different kinds of candy on it. You know, the candy ribbons. That's what, usually when you get the box of ribbons, these kind of candies right here, those kind of candies come in the box also. Here is some red, looks like, I'm not sure if I got it upside down, trees, I don't know. Big leaves. There's some more. And then we got some red flakes on white. And then sort of like that darker color, that's in green. I think the other one was in black background. And then the last piece has wording on it. Okay. And then, whenever you order from them, I'm trying to find it, they normally will give you a single lemonade, like a pink lemonade or whatever packet, and I usually give that to my granddaughter. But this time, just because I ordered, here's what they sent me. And this was attached to it. That right there was attached to it. And this is what they gave me. Isn't that pretty? And then in the bottom of the box, because it was a box from the post office, they had all this, and I'm not sure if this was supposed to be for the batting, but all these fabrics, which are really, really soft. Let me just pull them out of the bag and I can give you an idea. And that's pretty good for stuffing, although, you know, I could actually probably use that strip. And this strip here, I could use those. That's got decent. Here's another little piece. There we go. That's Christmas. But anyway, just the edge, the little strips, which, oops, there's another piece. This was at the bottom of the bag. I don't know if it was a mistake or if it was put in there on purpose. But I like to stuff, like my pillows or my teeny weeny little things. I like to put stuffing in it. Like I made a Santa Claus one time, put this in it. It was a sock Santa. So I don't have a problem with this kind of stuff. So I just bagged it up. But anyway, like I said, if you would like to see me make it online on my YouTube channel, please leave a comment. Otherwise, I'm not going to, and I'm just going to make it whenever. Okay? I won't have any set time to making it. I can make it. I can add it right along with the rest of my stuff. Just let me know. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.